Hello, everyone. I am Tony Chen from Chuangxin Company. Today, I'd like to share with you the magical charm of seamless computerized machines in sweater manufacturing. The seamless computerized machine, a masterpiece of modern technology, has revolutionized the sweater manufacturing industry. In traditional sweater production, sewing is an indispensable step, but it often leads to issues like uneven lines and discomfort in wearing. However, the emergence of the seamless computerized machine has completely altered this scenario. Utilizing advanced computer programming technology, the seamless machine precisely controls the knitting process, achieving true seamless production. From the neckline to the cuffs, from the body to the sleeves, it all comes together seamlessly, resulting in smooth lines and utmost comfort. Furthermore, this machine can create intricate patterns and textures, adding a fashionable and personalized touch to the sweater. Not only does the seamless computerized machine enhance production efficiency and reduce costs in the sweater manufacturing industry, but more importantly, it offers consumers a superior wearing experience. I am Tony Chen, and we'll meet again next time.